Guys, so for our science lesson over the next few weeks, we are going to be talking about plants. We've been talking about animals, so now we're going to talk about plants. So for the next couple weeks, you're going to need your science book. All right, each of you, when you picked up your stuff, you should have picked up a plant kit. We're going to use this starting tomorrow. And to go along with that plant kit, you're going to have a plant observation journal, and I put a ruler in each of your packets, okay? So for today, for this week, we're just going to be using the book, all right? We're also going to be using our plant journal, but we're going to use our book as well. So Unit 4 is all about plants. And our big idea for this whole unit is all plants need certain things to live and grow. Plants have parts that help them grow. So just like we talked about how animals have things that they need, they have needs. Plants also have needs, okay? Plants have parts that help them grow. We're going to be learning about the different parts, okay? And these are the beautiful sunflower field. And it says, I wonder why the sunflowers all face the sun. Why? Here's why. Plants such as sunflowers need sunlight to live. They face the sun to get as much sunlight as they can. In this unit, you will explore this big idea, the essential questions and the investigations on the inquiry flip charts. Now the flip charts, that we're going to use our planting journal instead to replace those. Okay, so these are our lessons, and our first lesson is what our plant needs. So we're going to think about, just like we learned about animal needs, we're going to learn about plant needs. What do you know about a pumpkin this big? It's blank or met. All right. So we have two vocabulary words that we're going to work on in this unit. The first one is basic needs. Basic needs. Okay. And our next one is nutrients. Nutrients. All right, so those are the vocabulary words we're going to be working on today. So at the end, we should understand what the basic needs of plants are and what the word nutrients is. Okay, plant needs. Plants are living things. All living things must have certain things to live and grow. These things are called basic needs. What happens if a plant does not meet its basic need? It may stop growing. It may turn brown or begin to droop. It may die. These plants are meeting their basic needs. We can tell that because they're growing. If they weren't, they will stop growing. They would turn brown, droop, and die. So let's take a look at this. What basic need is the boy giving the plants? We can already tell. What is he giving them? He's giving them water. People can help plants meet their basic needs. Plants need water, wonderful water. Do you know how they get it? A plant's roots take in water from the soil. Water is a basic need that helps plants live and grow. So that's one basic need is water. Put a number 1 by that. That's one of the basic needs. And it gets it through its roots that are down in the soil. Light and airy. Do you wonder why people put some potted plants by windows? Plants need sunlight to grow. They also need air and water. Plants use air, water, and sunlight to make their own food. So we don't have to give plants food. They actually are able to make their own food. Okay, so sunlight, air, and water are 3 of the plant's basic needs. Nutrients in space. Plants need nutrients from the soil. Nutrients are substances that help plants grow. Growing plants need more nutrients and water. Their roots grow and spread to get more of these things. Plants need enough space for their roots, stems, and leaves to grow. So plants need nutrients. Plants need space. Okay? Plants need nutrients and space. So far we've learned that plants need sunlight, plants need air, plants need water, plants need nutrients, plants need space for their roots, stems, and leaves to grow. So I can tell that these are able to grow. There's space between them. If you plant them too close together, they won't have enough space to grow. So let's sum it up now. Cross out the thing that a plant does not need to grow. Water, soil, a shovel, or the sun. Yeah, it does not need that shovel to grow. Okay? All right, so you guys are going to do 2 and 3. Fill in the blank. I am all around you, but you can't see me. I am something all living things need. What am I? So think about it. We learned about this earlier. What's all around us? You can move your hands through it. Okay, then draw a picture of a plant. Label the picture to show that the plant is getting what it needs. So I want you to make sure you're showing the sunlight it getting some water, being in the soil, getting the nutrients from that soil, and the space. Okay? All right. For this page, you guys are going to do a word search, finding all the things that the plants need. What are the things that plants must meet to live and grow? Remember, we talked about that was one of our vocabulary words. What do they have to have? Basic needs. And then on the back, I want you to list the 5 basic needs of a plant. Okay? And then you guys, if you want, you can go ahead and read about this drip irrigation. It's a pretty cool system that farmers set up to help plants get water. And there's 2 different pages that you guys can talk about or read about. All right? All right, guys. I'm really excited to start our plant unit. I'm sad that we're not at school and getting to plant these plants together, but I think you guys will enjoy watching your plant grow from home.